Okay, I want to give my final thoughts on the short shifter. Basically, I highly recommend it. I do enjoy it. And what was happening before was I didn't have it down all the way. There's a rubber boot underneath this leather boot, and there's a collar on it, and that collar was preventing the shifter to go, or I'm sorry, this boot to go all the way down. And what was happening was it kept on creeping back up, and as I would shift or feel this knob, it would kind of, because the shaft wasn't all the way in here, it would kind of feel loose or rubbery. So it didn't make the shift feel that great. And I kept on having to push down. I could feel it, and it was kind of bothering me until I figured that it was that rubber boot underneath. So I cut that off, and then was able to push it all the way down. So it doesn't move down, and it feels nice and solid because the shaft is all the way up there. It does look significantly lower than it was even before. So I want to say about an inch lower. So it does sit a lot lower. I don't know if that's a good thing or bad thing. For me, it's fine. I actually like it short. And then being able to shift now without being concerned about that feel is allowing me to kind of, enjoy it a lot more. So the shifts and the throw is nice and tight and short. The other thing was I was able to ride my buddy's 300Z or 340Z, and that shifter felt a lot looser. I mean, that's the best way I can describe it. It just like didn't seem to notch into different gears very well. I had to look at the shift indicator on the dash to figure out what gear I'm in. Whereas in comparison, this feels so much tighter, and it feels like it's actually going in, and you have to actually pull it out. So it wasn't until I was able to kind of drive a different vehicle to tell you that it feels a lot more notchier, kind of gated in a way, a lot tighter. So anyways, overall, I'm really happy with this upgrade. It was somewhat of a difficult install with all the different things that were going on, but I'm very happy with it now. So, all right, that's it.